RetraxPRO XR, all done on the Ford Raptor. Top of the line cover is necessary for this truck. This is the easiest to use, one hand operation, glides back, super easy. The installation you can do at home. No drilling required. It's all clamped on, all custom fit for your truck. It comes with these T-slot rails, so you can add crossbars and other cool accessories on here. They hold 500 pounds of weight on top. These heavy-duty aluminum slats are the most durable option. What's really nice is you can lock the cover anywhere. You just lock it down there and it's all good to go. Retrax is the top of the line bed cover. It's not gonna limit your capability with the truck because now you can do a rack build overland. This is the best cover on the market right here. RetraxPRO XR. This Raptor is super clean. This is a super bad truck right here. Got to do a quick walk around. Lifetime warranty. Visit us, Truck Access Plus, or shop online. I will put the link in the description for truckaccessplus.com. Thank you. Visit us in Phoenix.